our Let Us Entertain You, which basically is microgreens with some edible flowers on top. And you would mix this with your salad. You can have any kind of lettuce on the bottom, and then you're going to have our microgreens on the top, because microgreens are full of nutrition and wonderful flavor. And this Let Us Entertain You has not only the microgreens, but they have some edible flowers on top. This is nasturtium, and this is viola, and we have different violas and different colored nasturtiums, and they're all edible and they're delicious. The best salad you're ever going to have in your entire life. It's important to put your salt and pepper before you put your olive oil and your vinegar, because of the fact the salt and pepper will go through. If you put it afterwards, the salt and the pepper don't really penetrate as well as it does if you always put the olive oil and either your balsamic vinegar or your lemon after that fact. Okay, so there you go. And now I'm just going to put a little olive oil on. I always measure it very carefully, as you can see. And then a little bit of balsamic vinegar, which also is measured very carefully. And then we mix it all up. And after we mix it, okay, and then you decorate it with a few flowers that come with our package of Let Us Entertain You. Waloo, or voila, or what do they say that? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.
Yeah!